All right, so here's the owner of the Grom. This guy has all kinds of toys. He's got this Lexus.
I need more toys.
What kind of cars have you had in the past?
Oh.
I know you've had multiple.
Let me try to label them all.
So you started off with the first car was
My first car was the LS400.
the Lexus, yep.
LS400, then it was the 300ZX.
Uh-huh.
Then it was a Mazda Speed 3.
Okay.
Then it was Subaru Legacy GT.
Okay.
Then it was a Fiat 500 Abarth. Then it was a Mazda Speed 3 again. And then after that, I picked up this baby.
Yep.
Woo!
And then you also had the other beast,
Oh, well,
the S6. I mean, that was technically yours,
yeah,
but
technically, yeah.
but still. So man, that was like at least a dozen cars.
That was a lot, yeah.
A lot of cars. So from all those cars, which one would you say was your favorite?
I like this one a lot.
This one's your
But
favorite?
I do miss, I mean, it's my favorite, but as far as speed, if we're talking,
Uh-huh.
speed-wise, the Mazda Speed 6, I think ripped.
Really?
Because I had a really nice tune on it.
Oh, okay.
I'd be able to take you guys right off the line.
Nice. Nice, cool.
Okay.
So you got also into bikes now, so you got that Grom. Just kind of like for a first starter, just to learn how to ride.
Yeah, it's great for starting. I mean, it doesn't have so much power, that way you don't accidentally pop a wheelie that you don't want to.
Yep.
End up getting some road rash.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's true.
It's a great starter bike, that way you get used to it, because the real bikes, they're much heavier.
Oh yeah.
This one's very maneuverable.
Okay, so the retail on one of these is 3,400.
Yeah,
How much did you
somewhere
pick
around
this one up for?
Picked it up for 2,800.
2,800, and you had all the
Yeah.
customization. You
Yep,
had the.
it has quite a bit of mods, which...
Okay, let's actually go to it quick.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know too much about bikes, but I know he put on a new exhaust. He's probably got that on the side.
Uh-huh.
Exhaust. Some of the carbon fiber here and there. This is a new tail light right here. It's not the... You see two little blinkers on the sides.
Okay.
And it is stretched and dropped as well, as you can see that.
Yep.
I think it gives it a better look on it.
Yeah, definitely. But it's definitely a lot harder to pump a wheelie when it's stretched.
Oh yeah, no, it doesn't have enough power to pop a wheelie.
Right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, but it's a great starter bike to get into the shifting and know where's what. Yeah.
But you wouldn't say it's really practical, right?
No, it's not practical. It's a bit sketch actually on the roads.
Yeah.
I went on like Wadsworth, which is like 55 miles per hour, 45, 50.
What's the max you got on this bike?
I think I got it to like 59.
59?
Yeah.
Maxed it?
Yeah. I was going down a hill on Wads.
Wow. I gotta say, I rode this thing and I was probably going like 40, and I gotta say, it's pretty scary.
Yeah.
5cc.
Yep.
So what would you say? Would you say it's worth having one of these?
I'd say for a first bike, this is definitely a must. You don't want something like too powerful. I mean, you can start off with the 600, but be careful. Definitely don't start with 1,000.
For sure.
You don't want it to kill yourself. Get the feeling for a bike. Yeah, it's a great starter bike.
Cool.
And
So you learned it pretty quick, huh?
yeah, it was easy. It just took the concept. If you know a stick shift car, it'll be super simple. It's the clutch, the brakes, very simple.
Did you,
Get that down.
ever since you've been riding this one, did you ever get a chance to ride a real motorcycle?
Yeah, I did.
Yep.
I rode a few actually. I rode a Ducati. I think it was like 840 something. And then I also, it was like 848 or something. Yeah, it's pretty powerful.
From this
Oh yeah, like when you throttle it on that one, you really feel the yank. Like
you gotta definitely hold on to
Yeah.
those handlebars.
Yep, you should hold on, and it's much heavier when you get on the real bike. The leaning part, you feel it's way heavier. I also rode a Honda 600 RR. That was fun too. Yeah.
Right, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked the
Hope
review.
you enjoy it. And if you want to get a Grom, get one.
Yep. Thanks
See
for
you
watching.
later.